Question 12 is 3 marks. The question says expand and simplify. Let's do this question together. What I will do is I'll first multiply here and there. Once I'm finished, I'll then look at this later. So for now, don't think of this. Now what's 3x times 2x? 3x times 2x is 6x squared, because 3 times 2 is 6, x times x is x squared. And what's 3x times 5? 3 times 5 is 15, and then just plug this x here. Now we finished with these two, we multiply it with this. So 7x minus 4. Now what I will do is I'll do FOIL, multiply this here, and I multiply that there. So 6x squared times 7x. 6 times 7 is not 7, it's 42, isn't it? So 42, and then x squared times x is x cubed. And then 6x squared times negative 4. So 6 times negative 4 is negative 24, and then write the x squared. We finished with this part. Now we do the 15. 15x times 7x, 15x times minus 4. 15 times 7, oh my gosh, 10 times 7 is 70, 5 times 7 is 35, it's 105. You can use a calculator, don't worry. 105 x squared. And then 15 times 4 is 60, but it's going to be negative because the 4 is negative. And then just plug the nice x here. Now we did the first part, we did expand. We need to simplify. Simplify is collecting like terms. Is there anything looks like x cubed? No, there is nothing. So I'll just write it. So 42 x cubed. Is there anything looks like x squared? Yeah, this is x squared, this is x squared. So we do them. Minus 24 plus 105. This is going to be subtraction. You can just plug it in your calculator. Write minus 24 plus 105. So that's going to give you plus, I think it's 81 x squared. I did 105 minus 24. Yeah, it's 81. That's good. My mental math is going better. Now finally we just have minus 60x, and that's your final answer. That's your nice 3 marks. You can't do anything else. Some students combine everything. They do 42 plus 81 minus 60. Don't do that. Why? Because they are not similar shapes. They are not similar terms. They are not the same. They are not like terms. X cubed doesn't look like x squared. Please don't do that. And it doesn't look like x. This is like you are adding banana to horses. You can't do that, can you? If you have 3 horses and 15 bananas, you can't say these are 18 banana horses, right? This is similar. They are not the same. Now let's look at question 13. Oh, it looks nice. It looks fun.